morning. Welcome to Wednesday, June 10th. Wednesday, June 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's June 10 today. June 10th. That's right. Today we have it's Wednesday, so it's our busiest weekday class of the week, which is really great to see all of you and to be able to focus on our specific theme today, which is all about the summer song. Morning, Adomi. But also today, outside of our building, it's going to change again. Today we have red paint going up on the right side of our building when you look at it. So it's going to have red, red, and red. It's going to look great. So I moved the cubby on the first floor, so it's there, and I took one of the trees and moved it to the fourth floor deck.
Okay.
So we did also have 4 trees downstairs, but now we only have 3 trees outside. One tree is growing on the 4th floor. Let's see how it does up there. I'm thinking those trees maybe might be really good to plant them at our Chiba property right behind you here. I know, look, you can see there's a tree house and small tree platforms. We're thinking of a water park and all kinds of things. So yeah, very exciting. So I'll see you soon, everyone. For those of you coming to Wednesday who are looking at the video beforehand, and for those that aren't, please enjoy worksheets for students. So here I'm going to start with the summer song. Are you ready? It's quite hot. I'm going to start with the summer song. Are you ready? Here we go. Verse 1, verse 2, verse 3. Verse 1, verse 2, verse 3. We need a really good craft today, tell me, okay? Ready? Morning, how you doing? Good. I know, it's very hot in the school. I had the windows open as we always do, but now we close them and the air conditioners are moving. The air is flying around. It's good. All right, here we go. Ready? Summer song, verse 1, verse 2, verse 3. Momoka, are you ready? Subaru, are you ready? And Chisaki, maybe you're watching too. And anyone else? How about our friend in Hokkaido? Are you watching too? All right. Well, not Subaru in Hokkaido, but we have another friend in Hokkaido watching us. Hello up there. Way up there. That's a fun place to go. All right, we're going to start with Chiba. Okay, so here we go. Ready? A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, go. I sweat, the warmer it gets, I start to sweat. My head starts to get a little wet. I need to drink to be safe. When I drink, I know I'm safe. 2, 3, 4. I sweat, I drink, I'm safe, I'm ready for another day. And what was that bonus from yesterday? It told me too. I love the summer. I love the summer. Why did I do this? Any idea? We know I'm touching my chest because I'm talking about me. I love, I'm making the heart symbol. But what is this? What is this? What does this mean? Why am I saying summer and doing this? That's right, because the summer brings with it many sunny days. That's right. Okay, very good, everyone. So, for everyone, you're going up to 5B today. 5B. Okay? Let's start with number 1. Here we go. But first, you can certainly trace your worksheet. You can trace the same one as yesterday, but really good for your tracing skills. These letters are very small, of course. 2, 3, 4. I sweat, I drink, I'm safe, I'm ready for another day. Okay, and here we are on to worksheet number 1. So it told me the first worksheets all the way up to 5B are really about delivering 2 key sentences in verse number 1 and verse number 2, okay? So it told me show this listen as I go here, but very important, all the teachers really have to know how to do these worksheets so that you get the best experience. So this one here, my name is Greg. Down here it's I, right? I. Okay? I start to sweat. This is I. As you trace it, say it as well, okay? I. It starts to get warm, so what color is the sun? What color? You're going to orange. The sun is orange. The sun is orange, everybody. That's right. It's orange because it's starting to get warm. I wonder what color the sun will be in July. In June, it starts to get warm, but how about July? Shichigatsu. How about July? Is it going to be an orange sun? Oh, maybe not. No, I think the sun might be a mix of orange and red, or no more orange, could just be red. BGM if you can. And here we go, number 2. Number 2, everyone. Look at this, isn't it cute? He's on the start line. He's on the sweat start line. Now that took a few minutes to build that one, isn't that neat? So trace, my name is Greg, of course, and then start. That's right, you have to trace. Start. And then he's saying, it is getting warm. Isn't that cute? It's the sweat start line, it told me. Do you see? It's a little sweat start line. It's cute, right? So he knows he's going to sweat. It's the start of his sweat. He's sweating because it is getting warm. Neat, right? I thought that was cute. Don't forget to trace. Start. You can take worksheet number 2 and combine it with worksheet number 1 if you like. So you can go like this, right? I start. Good. Okay, you guys? Now we're going to go on to number 3, everyone. Number 3. What comes next? Look at the picture. Isn't that cute? Look at that. I know. You are starting to sweat. Good morning, Rico. Right, so here it's, I start to sweat like this. See? It's getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Wow. Starting to sweat. So my name is Greg, and then to sweat. The words are to sweat. To sweat. So here we go. Are you ready? Can we try it again? So there's ready. Number 1. I start to sweat. Isn't that neat? And so Mariko told me when you're doing these worksheets today too, Mariko, you really want to, as they're done tracing them, you want to repeat them. So you can, after they're done, it's I. And then when they go to number 2, it's start. But then combine, they can say I start. And it told me 2, okay? And then I start to sweat. So we can really build up their sentence reading skills by combining worksheets 1, 2, and 3. And for you at home as well, it's a great idea, right? So number 1, I. Number 2, start. Number 3, to sweat. And we're moving on to number 4. Don't forget, everyone's going up to 5B today. Here we go. This is number 4. See, number 4, it says number 1 to 3, review. Number 3, review. So, did you remember? My name is Greg, and then I start to sleep? No. Run? No. Sweat. Trace, sweat, and then which one is sweat over here? Draw your line. Okay? I start to sweat. Just like worksheet number 1, everybody. I start to sweat. Right, you got it. Okay, now we're moving on to 5A, and we're going to stop at 5B today. So 5A. Here we have to look at just the words. You want to match them up. That's all we do. And so Atomi for this one too, and Mariko. So this one here, we're just matching up the words, Atomi, okay? Can you see it, Atomi?
Yeah.
So you have to match up the words and then match up with the picture, okay? So there's a matching, so simple letter recognition, and then we're getting into the actual reading skills, remembering which one it belongs to. Okay, so here you are, and for you at home as well, you're going to match up drink, trace, drink, draw your line to drink, and then draw your line to the drink picture, okay? This word is safe. Trace the word safe, draw your line to safe, and then draw your picture to safe. Draw your line to the picture safe. And how about this one? Sweat and day. Sweat and day. Okay? All right. That's it. That's 5A. And now we're going to go to 5B, everyone. This is the last one for the general group, okay? 5B. 5B, don't forget, my name is Greg. And then over here, it says which one is correct. Is it sweat or drink? I need to sweat. I need to sweat? No. I need to drink. That's right. Circle, drink, cut. And which one do you drink? You can drink ice cream if it melts and becomes liquid form from its solid form. But no. So here we go. Okay, so that's it for the worksheets. I'm going to do the summer song very quickly one more time, everybody, and then I'm going to stop the video, and we're going to start at number 6 with the rest of the group. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. I sweat. The warmer it gets, I start to sweat. My head starts to get a little wet. I need to drink to be safe. When I drink, I know I'm safe. 2, 3, 4. I sweat. I drink. I'm safe. I'm ready for another day. I love the summer. What a great song, wasn't it? Everyone, you're doing great at home for Reiki. I hope you're out there too. Let's give him a call today, okay? So, all right, everyone. So everyone out there in the world of YouTube and Dropbox for the worksheets. All right, so we'll see you later. Hope you enjoyed today's worksheets for students part 1. Part 2 is coming up next. Okay, bye everyone. Bye. Miss you and see you soon. Bye.